Giraffe payment proof is usually about checking whether users can actually receive rewards after completing tasks, not just whether points appear inside the app. By the end, you'll know what payment evidence to look for, why some users report different experiences, and what steps to take before spending time on the app. The main thing to understand is that earning points inside Giraffe and successfully receiving a reward are separate steps. A balance shown in an app does not automatically prove that a payout process works for every user. When checking payment proof, look for details that can be verified. This includes screenshots of completed rewards, confirmation messages, payout records, and user reports that explain the full process from earning to receiving money or gift cards. User experiences can vary because reward apps often depend on factors like account status, available offers, device compatibility, and whether a user follows the required steps for each task. A common mistake is only checking how many points someone earned. The more useful question is whether the person completed the redemption process and received the reward successfully. Before using Giraffe, check the app's reward section and review the available payout options. Read recent user experiences and compare multiple reports instead of relying on a single screenshot. Another thing to watch is timing. A payment screenshot without context does not always show how long the process took or what steps were required. Look for users who explain what they did, what reward they selected, and what happened afterward. If you already use Giraffe and want to track your own results, keep records of completed tasks, points earned, and any redemption attempts. This makes it easier to identify whether the app is working as expected for your account. Payment proof can help answer whether an app has real users receiving rewards, but it should be combined with checking the app's rules and your own experience. The key points are simple. Look for complete payout evidence. Remember that earnings and withdrawals are different steps, and verify recent user experiences before investing your time. The practical next step is to review Giraffe's current reward options and compare them with recent user reports before starting new tasks. If this helped you understand how to check payment proof properly, subscribe for more app reviews and fixes that focus on what users actually need to know.